For many Warren homeowners, keeping a home comfortable, attractive, and efficient is important, but finding time for constant upkeep isn't always realistic. Between work, family responsibilities, and daily routines, window maintenance often falls low on the priority list. Fortunately, today's low-maintenance window options are designed to deliver long-lasting performance with minimal effort, making them an ideal choice for busy households. Here's a look at the best low-maintenance window options that help Warren homeowners save time while enjoying comfort and curb appeal. Vinyl windows. The top low-maintenance choice vinyl windows are one of the most popular options for homeowners who want durability without ongoing upkeep. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't require painting, staining, or sealing. Key benefits include resistance to moisture, rot, and warping, no peeling or fading over time, easy cleaning with mild soap and water, excellent insulation for year-round comfort for Warren's seasonal weather changes. Vinyl windows hold up well without demanding attention. Double-hung windows with tilt-in cleaning windows, especially on upper floors, can be time-consuming and inconvenient. Modern double-hung windows feature tilt-in sashes that allow both sides of the glass to be cleaned from inside the home. Homeowners appreciate safer cleaning without ladders, faster maintenance routines, consistently clear glass. This feature alone can save significant time and effort for busy families. Slider windows. For simple operation, slider windows are another low-maintenance option popular in Warren homes. They open horizontally and rely on fewer moving parts than some other styles. Advantages include smooth operation with minimal wear, simple track designs that are easy to clean, no cranks or hinges to maintain, ideal for wide openings with proper installation. Slider windows remain easy to use and care for. Fixed picture windows. For maximum simplicity, picture windows are fixed in place, meaning they don't open or close. With no moving parts, they require very little maintenance. Benefits include no hardware to adjust or repair, fewer air leaks over time, easy exterior and interior cleaning. Large glass areas. For natural light, picture windows are often used in living rooms or front-facing areas where ventilation isn't required. Fiberglass frames. For long-term durability. For homeowners seeking premium durability, fiberglass windows offer excellent long-term performance with minimal upkeep. Fiberglass resists expansion and contraction, maintaining tight seals through temperature changes. Key features include exceptional strength and stability, resistance to cracking or swelling, long-lasting finishes, strong energy efficiency. While slightly higher in cost, fiberglass windows reduce maintenance concerns long-term. Advanced glass coatings reduce cleaning frequency. Modern low-maintenance windows can be equipped with glass coatings that repel dirt, dust, and water spots. These coatings keep windows cleaner longer, reduce streaking, make routine cleaning faster. This is especially helpful in Warren areas where seasonal pollen or dust is common. Durable seals prevent frequent repairs. Low-maintenance windows feature improved weather stripping and sealing systems that stay effective longer. Strong seals reduce drafts and prevent moisture intrusion, minimizing the need for adjustments or repairs. Professional installation minimizes maintenance issues. Even low-maintenance windows need proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures accurate fit, secure sealing, long-term reliability. Correct installation prevents many common maintenance problems before they start. Smart window choices. For busy Warren lifestyles, low-maintenance window options give Warren homeowners the freedom to enjoy their homes without constant upkeep. Vinyl windows, tilt-in double-hung styles, sliders, picture windows, and fiberglass frames all offer practical solutions designed for busy lives. By choosing durable materials, modern designs, and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy long-lasting comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal without sacrificing valuable time.